Installing OpenText ACDI Driver installation. Second video in the Installing OpenText ACDI series. Hi there. Today we will install an ACDI driver and connect it to ACDI. First, we need to copy files from the Audit Driver folder. The files from the server folder must be copied to the machine where IDM is installed. On Linux, copy them to /opt/novell/edirectory/lib/dir/xml/classes. On Windows, copy them to netiq/identitymanager/nds/lib. After copying these files, the IDM service must be restarted. Next, copy the files from the Designer folder to the machine where Designer is installed. Later, we will add the libraries shown on the screen to the Designer project. We also need a key store file with the certificate used on the audit server, or at least the certificate itself. It is located in the ACDI certs directory. The required key store is keystore.pfx. The certificate is stored inside this key store. You need to copy it to the IDM machine as well. During installation, the installer automatically creates a key store and generates a self-signed certificate. The default password for this key store is change it. Make sure to change it. Now you can see the previously mentioned self-signed certificate with the self-signed root for the required domain. Once all files are copied, go to Designer. Open the project by right-clicking on the package catalog and selecting Import Package. Click Browse. And select all required packages that you previously copied from the Designer directory. Here you can also see the usage of the packages. After importing all the 7 packages successfully, create a new driver. Right-click on the driver set. Select New. Then choose Driver. Here choose the ACDI base configuration. It is easier when you order by name. Click on Import Driver Configuration and browse to select the ACDI base configuration. Here you can review the packages and adjust the configuration if needed. For the OpenSearch server, define your server details. The URL must include the protocol, domain name, and port. If no reverse proxy is used, OpenSearch must also be included in the URL. Set a user with access to OpenSearch. By default, the user is osadmin. Enter the password for this user. Now define the path to the key store on the IDM machine and enter its password. The ACDI driver is now created. Now you need to review the driver configuration. For that you have to make a right-click on the driver and go to the Properties. From there go to Driver Configuration. And change the Startup option. In the driver parameter, subscriber options, you will see the configuration values entered during driver creation. Sometimes like now you may need to re-enter passwords. This can happen occasionally. Then go to Trace. And set the trace level to 5. You can also configure the trace file name and trace format. Deploy the driver configuration. And then start the driver. So the driver started successfully. Here you can verify that the connection to the IDM machine is also working properly. Now you can perform a quick check in the NetIQ Audit dashboard. If you see changes reflected there, the driver was installed and configured successfully. Here we are changing the surname of a user to test it. Now go to the audit dashboard. And here we see the surname change event showing that it works. That's it, a quick and easy installation of an ACDI driver. In next video, we will walk you through the monitor package installation process. Thank you for your attention. Have a good one.